everyone, welcome back to Geometry. In this video, we are going to learn the converse of a very important parallelogram theorem. If opposite sides of any quadrilateral are equal, then the quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. Let us understand this step by step. First, we draw a quadrilateral ABCD. A, B, C, D. Given in quadrilateral ABCD, AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. To prove ABCD is a parallelogram, construction: join BD in triangle ABD and triangle CDB. AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC given, and BD is the common side. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. Now angle ADB that equal to angle CBD, the corresponding angles of the congruent angles. But as the transversal BD intersect AD and BC, so angle ADB that equal to alternate angle CBD. Therefore, AD is parallel to BC. Again, angle ABD that equal to angle CDB, corresponding angles of the congruent angles, but they are alternate angles. Therefore, AB parallel to DC. In the quadrilateral ABCD, AD parallel to BC and AB parallel to DC. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Hence the theorem proved. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Geometry Zone. Thank you. Visit again.